Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, the Himal Ranger. After such a long gap, I promised myself this time that I'll try to be more regular, at least one video once a week. So from today onwards, I'll be more regular. So I don't have much time to go, so basically I'm going towards Kershang, only towards the hill. So it's been many days that I have not ride my bike towards the hillside, so for that reason I'm going towards that side and capture the beauty scenic place of Darjeeling area. So let's get going. Oh, I think that's a Harley driven by the army officer. It looked like a Harley, yes, if I'm not wrong. Look at the sound. I think if you can hear the sound of, wow, it's pretty good. Let me overtake it and see it from the front. From the left side it is, and it's a Commando. No, it's not a Harley, it's a Commando 300. Oh, it's not a Harley, it's just a Commando. It looked like a Harley though. I think it's sunflower, though I'm guessing it's sunflower. I don't know, it's mountain sunflower. It looked like one. Wow. This is the beauty of winter season. I really like about this. It's not yet fully winter. It's like in the between autumn and winter. So if you see, you can see a sunflower-like flowers, and the sky is clear. Beautiful weather. So we are just exploring, just seeing around this mountain peak, what's in around. So I think we are getting near to this sunflower, and let me see, is it a sunflower or not? I don't think it looks like a sunflower. This is but I don't think it's a sunflower. If it's a sunflower, there would be some kind of seeds over there. It's something else. If you know the name of this flower, oh sorry, if you are काटला थियो भाइ, I didn't know this. So if you know the name of this flower, please suggest me. I have no idea what's the name of this flower. But look at this entire mountain, friends. It's covered with this beautiful flower. यहाँ के लेखेछ ल उल्टामा लेखेछ यहाँ त इट्स अपसाइड डाउन यहाँ मोमो आलुदम चिया cold drinks पाइन्छ okay so they have given the arrow this side and says that market, momo, aloo and other snacks over this side. ए यहाँ रहेछ नि त कहाँ पाइन्छ भनेर त्यहाँ लेखिरहेछ उल्टा गरेर लेखेको रहेछ चिया दिनु न 2 जस्तो नि त्यो उल्टा गरेर लेखेको छ त त्यहाँ यस्तो लेखेछ यसो सिधा बनाउनु पर्ने रहेछ Hey guys, so now we are at the top side of the Kersiang. You can see that's a Kersiang town, and today we are not going far. We are just going around in and around Kersiang. So all the video clips and beauty scene are in and around Kersiang only, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy it. Now we are going towards a new route which we haven't explored from Gidda Pahad route, a shortcut. There's a shortcut which directly meet 18th area. So let's see how is that route. Let's get here.